Good evening, I am Suraj and today I am described to you which record made by China's vehicle reaching Mars. Why is this special mission of Dragon? To listen to carefully and watch the carefully. Do subscribe for more futures updates and latest update find in your mailbox. To getting started, China has proved this by making a soft landing its vehicle Churong on the surface of Mars. It is very strong in technical terms. Actually, this Chinese vehicle is the highest among the vehicles sent there so far. This Chinese lander weighed 5 tons. With so much water, the successful landing of this lander on the surface of Mars is indeed a big thing. This lander is equipped with the many types of scientific instruments. Scientists hope that it can remain active for 3 months. Churong work. What is the work of this rover? Churong work. This lander will search the surface of Mars and its inner surface. Apart from this, it will also detect the presence of water there. At the same time, it will detect the minerals present in the big rocks on the red planet and will also send information about the environment of Mars to the control room on the Earth. Churong rover Ethiopia has landed in Polynesia. It is a nearly 2,000-mile wide basin in the southern region of the northern hemisphere of Mars. In 2016, during its research, NASA came to the conclusion that there is a lot of snow. China's rover will also explore life with the presence of water here. Third country to land on Mars. China is the third country to land on Mars. With this success on Mars, it has become the third country in the world to do so. Soviet Song was the first country to achieve this fact. On 2 December 1971, the Mars 3 lander vehicle landed on this red planet. However, after landing on the surface, the vehicle was active only 110 seconds. But at the same time, the Soviet Union waved its flag of success in space. The vehicle weighed 1210 kg, while the orbiter's weight was 3440 kg. With the landing of this vehicle, China has also captured a record. After this, the American Viking vehicle landed on this red planet on 20 July 1976 and was the successful. The vehicle has been active for 2037 days. However, during the research, it could not get clues of life there. During this time, he found elements like hydrogen, oxygen, and phosphorus there. The weight of this lander was 572 kg, while the weight of its orbiter was 883 kg. So far, these landers have reached Mars. America's Viking 2 was active for 1316 days. It detected the presence of iron, silicon, magnesium, sulfur, aluminum, calcium, and titanium there. 4 July 1997, Mars Pathfinder reached Mars. On 25 January 2004, the opacity reached the surface of Mars. It has a record of active 5,250 days in its name. The Phoenix reached the surface of Mars on 25 May 2008. This indicated the presence of icy rocks present there. It was confirmed to be acidic in the soil and discovered magnesium, potassium there. On 26 November 2018, InSight reached there and did a lot of research. Its landing took place in a volcanic area. It was active for 901 days. Perseverance landed on 18 February 2021 in the Jezero crater. And this is article only for this. Thanks for listening and watching to patiently. To subscribe for more and keep the like thumb Thank you.